रिवर्स ट्रेवल्स के 10 मुंतखब इक़्तिबासात। 1. Every man desires to live long, but no man wishes to be old. 2. A wife should be always a reasonable and agreeable companion, because she can't always be young. 3. Europeans are the most pernicious race of little odious vermin that nature ever suffered to crawl upon the surface of the earth. 4. Difference in opinions has cost many millions of lives. 5. How vain an attempt it is for a man to endeavour to do himself honour among those who are out of all degree of equality or comparison with him. 6. Judges are picked out from the most dexterous lawyers who are grown old or lazy and having been biased all their lives against truth or equity. 7. Men are never so serious, thoughtful, and intent as when they are at stool. 8. Ignorance, idleness, and vice are the proper ingredients for qualifying a legislator. 9. Laws are best explained, interpreted, and applied by those whose interest and abilities lie in perverting, confounding, and eluding them. 10. No person can disobey reason without giving up his claim to be a rational creature.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इस इनायत पर हम आपके बेहद ममनून होंगे।